So this is going to act like an intro. So I've just realized I have the old part of the video has been filmed almost a year ago. So it's been a year since I've actually disassembled um, this tablet and fitted the screen to now where I've put this battery in to check that it actually works. So yeah, unfortunately, loads of things happen, loads of other projects, other things that I didn't realize I wanted to do. So yeah, but yeah, watch the video, watch what happens. Hope you like it. Hope you enjoy. Um, let me in the comments. Let me know what you think about it. What do you think I should do with these tablets that I'm fixing? Like I said, they're almost all of them are Android 5.1, which is basically unusable. You can't do anything with it. So I haven't looked at particularly at this one, but I'm guessing all of them are like that. So I have another video coming up which I'm working on where I'm planning on flashing a Google Nexus with a different with Lineage OS, and then trying to install an ebook reader and trying to install um, some simple games that could be played. So yeah, let me know in the comments if you have any other ideas about what to do with these tablets. Yeah, I'll try put them to the test. Otherwise, enjoy the video. Hello and welcome back to the channel. Another day, another tablet. This is still part of that big lot that I bought. Definitely screen is not sorry, the digitizer is bad, but this tablet is also bad. So here I think we're missing a part, and I think we're missing a screw here. This looks all right. We don't have the buttons for the volume and the power, so let me see what let's plug it in first and see if it's just the here can't see anything in it, so let's see if it's just the digitizer or it's not drawing anything. Oh yes, it is. Let's see if we can power it on. Nothing is dead. Okay, right, let's try and open it. Maybe it's not just a change of screen. So gonna start from here because I can see a little bit of a gap, so I'm gonna try and put this tool in. Right. Managed to open one side. So this side. No. Okay. You can see some wires. Those are probably the speakers. So we'll open it up like this. See what. Oh, we have a little vibration as well. Okay. Can I take this off? Yeah. Let's put this back then. All right. It's open. Oh, this one has a SIM in it. I mean, a SIM has two SIM positions and the card. This is the LED. What's this? No idea. These are the buttons. Yeah. Big screen. So that would be. Where's the battery? Oh, should have had a battery here. Okay. So somebody removed the battery from this. Right. So screen. I think we should clean a little bit here. What do you guys think? I think we should clean a little bit what we have. This is 370, so it's probably, yeah. I'm not sure if it's my soldering iron or my wick. Let me bump this to 400. Cut this piece away. Get this out of the way. Is my wick or my soldering iron? That's bad. Let's put some low melt solder. Right, looks a bit better. I wouldn't say much better. So let's quickly clean while the board is still hot. All right, let's put this back and let's try to make it think it has a battery. Let's see if it's gonna power on. So let's stop this and then power on. 4.2. 4.2? Yeah, would be fine. Let's take these ones. Take these ones. So this and this. So if I write so which is which, so VBAT and ground. Okay, it's taking nothing, absolutely nothing. Okay, that means we need to find a good battery, unless of course, and we can try that too. It's not pulling any amperage, so open this. Open it. When I say open it, I mean let's disassemble to see what we need for it. In terms of screen and LCD digitizer. Okay. Yeah, already have a number here. So this, yeah, we'll do that. So what am I going to do with this? You can see it has some clips here. Let's do that. Let's I'll take everything off and then we'll do exactly like we do with the others. We try to disassemble everything. It's not even, it seems to be. We'll see in a second. So I'm taking also off the board. Which I think it's glued down. It's not, but there are some small harnesses. One here which is very, very small, by the way. And this one. And this one. Be careful around these because they were never meant to be taken off, and you could easily damage, like I did here. Ripped everything in the end. It's not good. This is the Wi-Fi antenna, which is put exactly where it shouldn't be. Anyway, we'll try to make the best of it. Yeah, this screen is broken as well. Okay, let's put the screws somewhere where we can find them later. 1, 2, and then these 1. Right, I'll try to make a shorter video this time, so I won't bore you with taking this out. So I'll see you when everything is fitted back and we can test, and I'll have a look to see if we need anything else like a Wi-Fi antenna. Hi, so now after we've disassembled it, we're gonna change the digitizer. This one if you look previously, it doesn't have a battery, but we're changing the digitizer for now, and then we're gonna see about the battery. So this is Yuntab K17 tablet. Right, so I have here the digitizer from AliExpress. I'll put a link in the description of where I got the part. And let's see how it goes. Oh, I have another one here. Let me see what I have here. There seems to be something else in the package as well. Maybe it's a screen. Ah, no, it's the other one. Because I have I have one that's K17, Yuntab K17, and I have another one which is Yuntab K107. So, yeah. Right. Let's get into it. So, this one is soldered on. So, and these ones. So I need to remove these ones. Do I need to remove them? No, I don't need to remove them, because these will be perfect like that. So let's see where are my tools. I should have brought some duct tape. This was barely holding on. I have no idea. Maybe yeah. Okay. So I took this off, which is really good. Let's clean this off, because we have some glue residue, so we need to clean the residue. I'll move it to the center so you can see what I'm doing. I was looking at some of the videos, and because I don't have a screen in front of me to look at it, I've seen that sometimes what I'm doing is off center, even if I've put these dots here, especially for that. I keep forgetting about them, so yeah, hopefully this is better now. Okay. This is not one of those tasks that I really enjoy, but is part of one of the things that you have to do if you want to repair tablets or phones. you see every day people breaking their screens on their phones or on their tablets. Even if, yeah, you try to tell them to use screen protectors or phone cases or tablet cases, but it's probably easy for people to dismiss them and then complain that, oh, my screen broke. Not everyone is good at keeping their phone. Not breaking their phone, especially if you have children, even bigger children. They don't seem to care about keeping the phone in a good condition. They don't realize it until they grow up and they have to earn their own money to buy stuff. Oh, I've smudged it even more. Come on. I should probably make it into a bigger bowl and just scoop it up all at the same time. And the last part is over here. There's some more around here, but I think that cleaned up really well. I don't want to jinx it. All right. So we should be okay. Okay. Now let's come with the new digitizer. Gonna sit like this. Okay, so we need to, where's my tweezers? So I need to take off this one first. I've only I've only bought the digitizer because I think only the digitizer is broken. But we will see. So after this, now we have to peel off the tape. Ooh. That's one. And then the other one is from here. Okay. And now with my butterfingers, we take the frame, right, slot the cable, and then oh, oh, it's always fiddly. Should probably do it like this and then align it in one corner. It's aligned at the top. There's no gap, there's no flush. It's going around very good. And then, oh, hope I don't break it. Right. So now it looks okay also on this side here. And now I'm gonna push it slightly so I don't break it. Hope I won't break it. But I'm a master at breaking stuff, so don't mind me. Right. Careful not to touch it. Still looks like it's a little bit off, but if you look here, here is fine. Or is it? Yeah, it's fine. But then it goes down, and here we have a gap. Which is very annoying. But it is what it is, I think. Right. So now we have to put back everything that we have here. So if we take out this, so this is the back. This is crashed as well. Okay. I have another box. Let's see. Maybe in that box. Let me open it now. We have the screen. I do have a screen. Whether it's for this, no idea. KD, okay, KD looks similar. It's from the same manufacturer, King's Display. It's KD101N37, and this one was KD101N42. Revey. I have no idea, but seems to be the thing we need. So oh, good point. How do we put it back? Which way? Which way? Which is which? Which is which, Richie Rich? So do. So when I'm gonna put this on you, the back cover, the buttons are on this side. So buttons are on this side, so we have, and the charging port is at the top. So they will be here. It's gonna be something like this. So the screen will have to come something like this. Right? Right, but before we can use the screen, is that how many pins does this connector have? No idea. It says 40, but I can't see a 40 on this one. Right, so this one will have to go in like this from this side, okay? But before we can slide it in, we have to peel this off. Right, so now I can slide it in, or maybe I can try and push it in like this, maybe. It's easy to take out when you don't care about the screen, but when you have to install the new screen, just maybe next time I should have put the screen before the digitizer. What do you think? So now it's gone fully in, and I have to clip it in here, which should be easier. to do. Is it full in? Yeah, now it's in here. Now, oh, now it's fully in. Looks solid. This is just a tear in the... Okay. Camera is good. So I think from this side we are good. Now we have to transfer some of the stuff from the old one, from the old screen. So I have to transfer this cable first. Yeah. All good. Right, and now do I have to... Oh, I only need to take these off. So this one, let's peel it off gently, because last time, I mean on the, I can't remember on which tablet, I've actually took everything with it because I pulled too hard, so I've destroyed the Wi-Fi antenna. So this is off, which is good. And then all of these ones, everything that is here, let's take this off as well. If this works, then we know that this model number was replaced by that model number in terms of screens. Right, so we take this one, and now I've realized how this is very, very low cost made. So, oh, you know what I've forgotten, and I'm pretty sure I should have like this. I'm pretty sure I should have some things that hold in place the screen, extra things. Yeah, these ones. And these ones. I'm just finding things out because I have done the disassembly a while ago, and now I'm remembering what I've done. That's why you might find that I'm confused. I'm gonna do something really easy, which is put some screws back in, because I think we have here, we should have 4 screws. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, and I have 5 screws. Okay. I have 5 screws. Okay. Let's see, do they fit? Oh, do they fit nicely or not? Come on, what am I doing? No, this is too big. Okay. Not a very good start. Let's try with another screw. This one is not going in as well. These are not screws from here. Okay. Another prime example why you should be organized and put in the right screws and the right stuff in the right place so you find them really easily. Right, so I'm sure that these ones were definitely like this. Yeah, that's one. We have another one here. Come on. And then there should be another one on this side, right? So I only have 3, so there. Now the thing that I don't remember, I have these ones. I have these ones. They're looking like they might be from here. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 3, only 3, 4, 5. No, because these ones are from here. Okay, I really need to look at the video where I disassembled this. I can't remember. Right, so if we put these back together, just so we can test probably. So if we put this together here, like this, and then plug in this cable, yeah, it's aligned. Then this cable here, which is the touch screen, and the digitizer, which is this one. Oh, come on. Ooh, is this too short? I hope not. So the digitizer is in. The last thing we have to plug in is the front and rear camera, which is here. And now we are ready to test. I have 2 screws. Interesting. I have 2 screws. Okay, so now we're ready to test. So let's see what it says on the back of it. It says 5 volts, 2 amps. Okay, that's probably the maximum charging current. But we're not going to give it that much. But we are going to give it. Like this. Yeah, I think we're fine. So voltage, five, okay, and current 800 milliamps. I think that's enough. So these leads are short. So which one is ground? This one is ground, and this one is, so ground and battery. Is not taking. Oh. Yeah, should be working. wonder which one is the power button. Oh, the power button is this one. Okay, this one. Okay. It's taking current when I'm pressing the power button. And we have a picture. I can't show you, or I can maybe. Let me put 1 amp. So when it powers up, you can see it. I need to be very careful so I don't short something else. Next time I'm gonna solder some wires. You've seen that, so it does actually work. Which is amazing. So the only thing I have to do now is put it all back together, everything, and give it a test. And see if there is anything. There is probably something missing. Which is the battery, and I have to find a battery for this. I'm contemplating if I should put those 2 little screws. Let's put them in so we don't. So one of the screws is this one, and the other screw is this one. And I think that's how it sits, basically. Right, I'm very happy that the screen works and the digitizer. We still need to find out if it charges, but that is when we're gonna have a battery for it. Right, so I think I'm gonna do two parts for this because this is already 40 minutes. I think nobody watches 40 minutes. I think 20 minutes. I think I should keep my videos about 20 minutes, maximum 30 minutes, maybe. Um, Otherwise, I would lose you guys that are watching. So, with that said, thanks for watching, and yeah, like and subscribe if you like the content. Like I said, we're doing stuff that, I don't know, makes me happy, makes you happy, makes, and hopefully makes for good content that other other channels don't have. I'll see you on the next one. Bye for now. So I had an idea after I've closed the video, and I was trying to power up the tablet that we fixed with the screen, because this one doesn't have a battery in. I had an idea because I have a so this is a K17 Yuntab tablet, and I had an idea because I have a K107 tablet, which is similar. It's not similar, it's probably the same, almost. So the idea was to take the battery from this one and just put it in this one and power it up. So this is what we're gonna do right now, just to show you that the tablet is working. So let's move this one for a second aside and come with this one here and just so where is my, you can see haven't done lots of things in a while because I don't know where my stuff are. So while this is getting hot, so go around, so black wire, my soldering iron is at 380 right now, and is the biggest tip that I have for this iron. Needs to heat up a little bit. The the solder is not yet melted. Come on. Am I going to need to push it up? Remember, this is probably unleaded solder. The the motherboard is flexing, so yeah, that's not very good. Is it going to work easier on this one? On the red wire? No, okay. So let me move it up to 380. Come on. And it's a really big blob, so clearly what I've learned from this is that I need a new soldering iron, because this is not budging. Let me up the temperature for 400. What can I say? Oh, finally. So this is soldering iron at 420. All right, finally, we did it. Let's now take the battery from here, set these ones aside, and bring in the other one, which is this one. And let's see, so let's disconnect this one first, because I don't want to do anything to it wrong. And then we'll come back with this one. Let's check. So VBAT and ground, so they're the same. Let me turn down the hot the soldering iron. Turn it down to 370. Okay. Let's give it a little bit of flux. This is very old flux, so I wouldn't say it's the best, but it is what it is. It's what I have. Don't blame me. Right, so oh, forgot. I've put the air filter on. Right, and now a little bit more. Right. To make some room around here. Right, I think this is better. Right, so we've connected that. Let's clean. Where's my... Yeah, well, okay. Let's put this back. Let me turn off. Gentle, because I've done it with another one where it wasn't very good. So now the other side. But to be fair, that one that I've done the mistake with, I've put too much heat into the board and then I didn't realize it. Right, so now it should be good. So let's turn it over. Power button. Where's the power button? Power button. Probably this one. So the power button should be this one. I'm gonna press it. I'm sure we don't have any battery. Yeah, so no battery. So let's see where the charging port is. Oh, charging port is over here. Looks alright. So let me plug in the charger. So going? Yeah, I think it went in. So it's now pulling in 0.3 amps. So I think this is pre-charge current because the battery has been flat for so long. It's trying to figure out what it needs to do with it. Let's try and see if we can start it. No, not yet. We'll keep it a little bit. It's going up, so it's 0.31 now, so it's definitely going up. It's still 5 volts. So yeah, should be. Let's try and measure if the battery is getting charged. So multimeter in direct current. So let's see, red, black. Yeah, so it's 3.2 and it's charging. You can see it's going up. Now it's 0.8 amps draw. and you can see it's charging. So yeah, everything seems to be working fine. So let's now that it's reached 0.8, let's try and power it up again. I hope I put everything back together. I don't see why it wouldn't power up. Let's see. Unless it's not the power button. Might be this one. No, because this is the reset. No, definitely this one. Let's see. It's still going up. Yeah, 3.4. You see there is climbing up slowly, but it's climbing up. Right, 1.1. It's trying to charge with 1.1 amps. So yeah, it's slowly getting up. Let's just wait a few more minutes, probably. Yeah, battery is really discharged, and it's normal. Especially because I've realized that I had the first part of the video filmed a very long time ago. Yes, look at this. Wow, okay. It's still, yeah, it's still too discharged to power on. Okay, let's wait a few more minutes then. But we can call it fixed. I'm not sure if I'm gonna invest in a battery because a battery is probably 15-20 pounds, and the tablet is probably worthless with or without. So yeah, not sure if I am going to invest in a new battery. If you have any ideas of what to do with these tablets that I'm fixing, which are really old, one idea was to flash a custom ROM like Lineage OS or something else, and then I can install something else and just make it very useful, like a ebook reader, or to play really easy games for children. That's what I'm thinking of doing with them. and it wouldn't cost much. I'm not sure. Like I said, if you have any ideas, you're more than welcome to put them in the comments of the video, and I'll try to answer all of them. And yeah, in a video, in a future video, maybe we'll try to do it. Yeah, so Yuntab. Let's hope there aren't any identifiable things that I need to think about. But yes, this is fixed and it's working, and yeah, I'm really glad it's working. So yeah, I shall see you in the next one, I guess. Bye for now.